Are you stuck with generic social icons in your Klaviyo emails? Learn how to add your own custom icons and links in under 4 minutes. First, we'll add a social links block to your email. Then, we'll customize each icon by uploading your own image and entering the link. Start by clicking on Add Content to open the Content menu. Then, click on Social Links and drag it into your email layout. Next, click on Add Icon to see your icon options. Look for the Custom choice in that list. Then, click the drop-down to see the available options. After that, type the URL for your social link. Now, click on Upload an image to upload your own icon. Then, locate the image file you want to use for the icon. Finally, click on Select to place it. That's how you add social media icons. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.